Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Mathematics. From today, we are going to start divisibility test series. In this video, we are going to continue with divisibility test of 2, 3, 4 and 5. To clear your concept, be connected with this channel and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the latest updates.
See students, why we have to discuss about the divisibility test? See why? To find the factors of composite numbers, especially when bigger numbers are there like 836, 10,265. Third example, see 9,62,752. These numbers factors we have to find out. See, these numbers are bigger numbers. We have to find the factors, means this number is, means composite numbers is exactly divisible by another smaller numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But when we are dealing with bigger numbers or large numbers, what will happen? It is time consuming. Why time consuming? Each and every time we have to check 836 is divisible by 2. Like this division we have to carry out, or 3 or 4 or 5. Like this we have to carry out the long division method. But at the exam time it is not possible. So to save time, we need to know some techniques or shortcuts which could help us to check whether a given number is divisible or not, but without carry out the long division method. So then let's discuss about divisibility test. In divisibility test, first divisibility test is divisibility by 2. See what is there? A number is divisible by 2 only if its last digit or ones place digit is 0 or 2. Or in another word, numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place are divisible by 2. Here understand, numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place are divisible by 2. But here see, a number is divisible by 2 only if its last digit, means ones place digit, is 0, or divisible by 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this and so on. Like these numbers are there at ones and tens place, then these numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, then we will discuss some examples, then you will understand clearly. Then let's see some examples. See the first example, it is 14. Easily we can tell, yes, 14 is divisible by 2 because we know the table of 2. 2 sevens are 14, means remainder will come 0, means this number is completely divisible by 2. Then see the next example, 2641. According to test, see here, ones place digit is 1, means this number is not completely divisible by 2. There will be remainder, so remainder will be 1. So this number is not divisible by 2. Students, always remember, divisible means remainder should be 0. And when remainder will be there, 1, 3, whatever, 1, 3, 5, etc. then means remainder is there except a 0, then that number is not completely divisible. And divisible means remainder is 0. Okay. Then see the next third example. Third example is 40,260. See, ones place is 0, means this number is completely divisible by 2. See fourth example, 2,38,567. Ones place digit is 7, means this number is divisible by 2. Yes or no? No. Why? Because ones place is 7, and according to test, ones place there will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. After 8, see again 10 means ones place again 0 will repeat. After 10, 12 means 2 again ones place it is repeated. So just remember these digits only. 5 digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 ones place, then the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, then see the next example. 50,29,078 ones place 8 means this number is divisible by 8. Yes, of course, ones place 8 means this number is divisible by 2. Okay, then see next sixth example. 3,75,922 ones place digit is 2 means this number is divisible by 2. Okay, and like these questions you are getting in exam, that is from the given example find out which number is divisible by 2, then we have to apply here divisibility test of 2. Okay, then we are going to discuss next divisibility test, that is divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Sum of its digits means number formed by digits. We know, suppose 256, then here 3 digits are here, that is 2, 5 and 6, and 3 digit number 256. Then in this test or divisibility we have to check what sum of the given digit, and sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Or in another word, when the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Means sum of digit is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Understood or not? We will discuss some examples, then you will get better idea about this. Okay, then see the first example. First example is 63. Now here see, according to divisibility test we have to check the sum of digits. Here 2 digits are here, 6 and 3. Then check its sum. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 means quotient will come 3 and remainder will come 0, means 9 is completely divisible by 3. It means 63 also divisible by 3. Okay, then see the second example. 729. Then same again, add digits in the given number, that is 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. 18 divided by 3, what will be the quotient? 6 3s are 18, quotient will be 6 and remainder will be 0, means 729 is also divisible by 3. Why? Because sum of its digit means 18 is divisible by 3, means remainder comes 0, means completely divisible, and 18 is divisible by 3, so 729 is also divisible by 3. Okay, see the third example. What is the third example? 1803. Check sum of its digit. 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 0 9 plus 3 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 4s are 12, quotient will come 4 and remainder will come 0, means 12 is divisible by 3, so 1803 is also divisible by 3. Okay, then see the fourth example. 43,34,136. Check sum of digits. 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 6 24, and 24 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 8s are 24. Or another method is there, that is means same rule we have to still apply, means 24 answer come of all these digits. Again 2 plus 4 you can add, 2 plus 4 it will be 6, and then check divisibility by 3. 3 2s are 6, means quotient will come 2 and remainder will 0, means 6 is divisible by 3. So this number 43,34,136 is divisible by 3. See students, how quickly we are telling now instead of carrying the longer division. So be careful about this and try to clear your concepts. Okay, then see the next example. Fifth example. What is the fifth example? 594,833,984. Check addition. 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 9 plus 8 and plus 4. Check the sum. 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 3 29, 29 plus 3 32, 32 plus 9 41, 41 plus 8 49, 49 plus 4 53, and 53 is divisible by 3. We have to carry here division, and then as I told you before, check 5 plus 3 means what answer come? That 2 digit answer come. Again add these 2 digit. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 is divisible by 3? No. Why? 8 divided by 3, what will be the answer? See, 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here remainder came 2, means 8 is not completely divisible. So 594,833,984, this number is not divisible by 3. Okay. Then see the next test, that is divisibility by 4. What is the test of divisibility by 4? See, if the number formed by ones and tens digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Means ones and tens digit means last 2 digits. Means in another words, see, a number is divisible by 4 only if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. Okay. See, we will discuss some examples. You will get clear idea about this divisibility test. See the first example. 5036. According to test, last 2 digits means 36 is divisible by 4. Check, 4 9s are 36, means quotient will come 9 and remainder will be 0, means 36 is completely divisible by 4. So 5036 is also divisible by 4. See the second example. 6255. Last 2 digits formed a number, that is 55, and 55 divided by 4. See, 55 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Carry out this 5. Then 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2 3, 1 minus 1 0. Means here remainder came 3, means 55 is not divisible by 4. So this whole number 6255 is not completely divisible by 4. Yes, easily we can tell na. So only we have to study this divisibility test. Okay. See the third example. 23,328. Check out last two digits. It is 2 and 8 means number formed, that is 28. And 28 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 sevens are 28. Means quotient is 7. Remainder is 0. Means 28 is completely divisible by 4. So the given number 23,328 is also completely divisible by 4. Okay. Then see the next example. Fourth example, 16,50,923. Now see, this is the bigger number. Then instead of carry out long division, check out last two digit. These are the 23. Check, 23 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. See here, 4 5s are 20. And 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Means here remainder came 3. Means 23 is not completely divisible by 4. So the given number 16,50,923 is also not divisible by 4. Okay. See the fifth example. See how bigger number is here. 9,86,54,308. Then see last two digit 0 and 8 means number formed only 8. Okay. Then 8 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Quotient will be 2. Remainder will be 0. Means this number is divisible by 4. Yes, cause 8 is divisible by 4. So 9,86,54,308 is also divisible by 4. Okay. Then we are going to discuss next divisibility test, that is divisibility by 5. What is the divisibility by 5? A number is divisible by 5 only if its ones digit is either 0 or 5. Very easy test. Ones place digit we have to check. If there will be 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. In another word, same sentence, same meaning, just in another word written. A number having 0 or 5 at its ones place is always divisible by 5. Okay. Then see some example. First example is 15. Two digit number, easily we can tell 5 3s are 15. Then also see last ones place what it is, 5. Then means this number is divisible by 5. And see, when we are seeing the table of 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, and so on. Then see, digits are repeated 5 0, again 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, like this. So the test is here, that is ones place 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. Okay. Second example, 32,416. Then see, ones place digit is 6, means this number is not divisible by 5. Third example, 20,410, means this number is divisible by 5 or not? Yes, because ones place 0 is there. Fourth example, check 6,27,152. Ones place digit is 2, means this number is not divisible by 5. Okay. Then see the next example. Next example, see, bigger number given here, 12,34,76,890. Then see, ones place digit is 0, means this number is divisible by 5 or not? Send in comment. Yes, this number is divisible by 5 cause ones place 0 is there. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. In this video, we have discussed about the divisibility test of 2, 3, 4 and 5. In next video, we will continue with divisibility test of 6, 7, 8 and 9. So be connected with the channel. If any doubt, send it in comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.